So I bought this because I was on camping and I saw this and I thought I would buy it so I could taste it with you guys, of course. But now I just gotta get a knife with. Alright, so I bought this spray, so let me see if I like it or not. A little sour, just a little sour, just sour, and it's pretty good. Like, tastes okay, not too bad, not too good, in the middle. So I would recommend you actually buy it. I would recommend it. So yeah. Tastes pretty good, but hope you enjoyed the taste testing video here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. Bye bye.